On a day when our forces have eliminated 7 terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir and are going all out, Pakistan is getting nightmares. They're not just talking about Balakot. They're admitting we bombed them. They have admitted that we bombed them in Balakot. It's all happening. Take a look.
India is in no mood. We will not allow what happened in 2019.
मैं देश नहीं रुकने दूंगा मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा
The response in Balakot to what happened in Pulwama in 2019 has been a watershed moment in Indian history, the day we entered and struck Pakistan at the heart of terror.
पाकिस्तान में हजारों मदरसे हैं. They just had to pick one madrasa, fire. उसमें जो भी हमारे स्टूडेंट्स होते, तालिब इल्म होते, उनकी कैजुअलिटीज़ होती, तो उनके लिए झूठ को सच करना ऑन ग्राउंड आसान होता. जी हमने तो आप देखें, अब जो शहीद हुए बच्चे हैं या उसके जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, वो उठ के तो नहीं बताएंगे जी हम तो बड़े पीसफुल शहरी थे. वो तो टेररिस्ट क्लेम करते.
That was the embarrassed Pakistan army back then, admitting India had bombed Balakot and that there were casualties. Look at these pictures that Republic exposed after we struck Balakot. Pictures of the terror camp, the mass graves, the ambulances caught on satellite imagery.
ये जो अटैक हुआ है सुबह, ये तकरीबन 4-5 किलोमीटर अंदर आए और उन्होंने बॉम्ब फेंका और हमारी एयरफोर्स रेडी थी क्योंकि रात का वक्त था, पता नहीं चला कि कितना नुकसान हुआ. सो दे वेटेड फॉर दैट और अभी क्लियर डायरेक्शन मिल चुकी है.
The precision and detailing of our operation had taken Pakistan by surprise.
आपने जहाज गिराए क्यों?
जहाज इसलिए नहीं गिराए कि आपको मैंने सारा बताया कि पहली कॉम्बैट टीम कहाँ गई, दूसरी कहाँ गई. अब आप उसका जहाज अगर आई विश के उतने टाइम रहते, मैंने कहा कि जब पूरी हॉस्टिलिटीज़ ब्रेकआउट हों तो 100% एयरफोर्स आपकी इन एयर होती है.
For 2 years now, Pakistan has been in denial, but the truth has often slipped out. Listen to this, the ownership and the admission.
How he had taught Pakistan a lesson that they had jets had killed 350 terrorists. Complete lie, they had just killed about 10 trees of ours.
स्पीकर जनाब शाह महमूद कुरैशी साहब की टांगें कांप रही थी, कह रहे थे हिंदुस्तान हमला कर रहा है. हमने हिंदुस्तान को घुस के मारा है जनाब स्पीकर वहां पे.
Give us any evidence and we will hold those responsible. We will take them, but have them punish us, even give them to India. Rather than giving us evidence, they bombed us.
For a country that has a global reputation for lying and being deceitful, the latest admission is revealing. Watch how Imran Khan admits and then quickly attempts a cover-up on casualties.
We kept saying that we will give us any evidence and we will hold those responsible. We will take them, but have them punish us, even give them to India. Rather than giving us evidence, they bombed us.
As our forces go all out in Kashmir to fight terror, the nightmare of Balakot is haunting Pakistan, whose Prime Minister is reminiscing the possibility of what his country is flirting with once again. Let's debate.